Udaipur, a city in Rajasthan popularly known as City of Lakes. And in this part 2 of my Udaipur series, the first destination to cover today is City Palace. It is the largest palace of Rajasthan and second largest palace in India. Finally, I have taken the tickets of City Palace Udaipur. This has costed me rupees 300. For children or for students, it is rupees 100. And अगर guided tour करना है, तो that is also available over here. उसके लिए भी extra 300 will be charged. It took about 400 years to complete this palace, and it was started by Maharana Uday Singh, followed by more 22 generations. This palace consists of courtyards, pavilions, gardens, corridors, terraces and rooms. Also a museum is here and royal family still resides here, and one part of the palace is reserved for them. Entry and passage inside the palace are small and narrow, and this was made like this to ensure so that enemy cannot enter in large number to attack. The place where I am walking is known as Badi Mahal. It was built by Maharana Amar Singh, and I must say that it is a marvelous piece of architecture. As we are standing on the 4th floor, and still you can see trees and plants because it is a dungar, and instead of cutting the mountain, walls were constructed in such a manner that sides of this dungar is converted into a palace and top of it is built a garden. King and Queen used to play Holi over here. And this used to be the bedroom of King and Queen in winters, as multiple reflections in the mirror increases temperature of room even by lighting just a single lamp. All the golden color that is visible in this room is not just a paint, but it is real gold. So this is the first time that I took a ticket of rupees 300 just to see any palace, but honestly it is worth buying, and I am so tired to see this majestic palace that I now want to go to my hotel and take some rest, and in the evening we will be heading towards Maharana Pratap Smarak and again for the boating in FS. By the time you guys please like, subscribe and share my channel. Hi everyone, welcome to the second half of this video, and after a quick nap I am back for the boating. बोटिंग कंप्लीट करी है। एंड बोटिंग फतेह सागर लेक पे जो बोटिंग है उसके जस्ट सामने महाराणा प्रताप स्मारक करके एक प्लेस और है, मतलब हाइट पर है जाकर, एंड देन वहाँ पे एक म्यूज़ियम भी है। दिस प्लेस इज़ ऑल्सो चार्जेबल, मतलब टिकट यहाँ पर चार्ज होता है। 100 रुपीज़ पर पर्सन इज़ द कॉस्ट ऑफ द टिकट। एंड अगर 2 व्हीलर है या 4 व्हीलर है तो उसके चार्जेस अलग से। लाइट एंड साउंड शो भी होता है यहाँ पे रात में, दैट विल ऑल्सो कॉस्ट यू सेपरेटली। सो अभी हमने जस्ट स्टार्ट किया है, दिस इज़ जस्ट द बिगनिंग ऑफ दिस स्मारक। लेट्स सी आगे हम और क्या क्या देखते हैं। So I'm not sure whether you can hear the sound of these chirping birds or not, लेकिन यहाँ पे बहुत सारी birds की chirping की साउंड है। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट मोर बोल रहे हैं, तो इट्स रियली क्लोज टू नेचर, मस्ट विजिट प्लेस है ये भी। इफ़ यू विजिट उदयपुर तो आई थिंक इसको भी आपको एक अपने लिस्ट में ज़रूर से रखना चाहिए। This place is dedicated to Maharana Pratap, who is well known for his great resistance against the expansion of Mughals, and the view of this place is just mesmerizing. So right now I'm sitting on a place which is जस्ट लाइक इन मिनी ऑडिटोरियम। एक छोटा सा गार्डन है, उसमें बहुत सारी चेयर्स प्लेस करके काइंड ऑफ ऑडिटोरियम इसको क्रिएट कर रखा है। एंड सच्ची बोलूँ ना तो एकदम राजा महाराजा टाइप की ना फीलिंग आ रही है उदयपुर आने के बाद, बड़ी रॉयल टाइप की। एंड व्यू यहाँ का बहुत अमेजिंग है, पूरा फतेह सागर लेक ना आपको इधर से दिखेगा। अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट फोटोग्राफी के लिए, फॉर फोटोग्राफी लवर्स दिस प्लेस इज़ जन्नत। यहाँ आओ, अपनी खूब सारी फोटोज क्लिक करवाओ। This is the vibe of Udaipur in evening, and now I am super duper hungry. And all those who have seen my previous video of this series, they know that yesterday we tried local chapati, and for today's dinner I am heading towards a rooftop restaurant. Thank you for watching my channel Magnificent Actuality. Please like, subscribe and share my channel, and part 3 of this series is coming very soon.